There was a man named Reynaldo Bertos. He is in need of money. He went to Christine, creditor, and asked if he could ask for a loan.
Good morning, Jane.
Oh, hi. Have a seat.
Yes, please. Let me borrow money from you because I have an emergency.
Hello, Ray. How much you want to borrow?
If it's okay to you, I will borrow money 50,000 if you okay that. And I promise I will pay you before end of the year.
Okay, sure. I have a 650,000 here, but can we make a agreement on this matter or a contract?
No problem. What will be the terms and condition in this contract?
Okay, that's great. I will make a contract with those stating that you are desirous borrowing the amount of 650,000 from me. The Philippine currency while I am willing and able to lend the said amount subject to the following terms and conditions. So I will be giving you the contract, our contract and terms and conditions. So first that I shall convey the amount of 650,000 to you upon execution of this contract. So that you shall pay me the aforementioned amount no than before December 30, 2023. And the third, that in case of failure in regard to pay the amount of the loan in full at its aforementioned maturity date, then I shall be charged a penalty amount of the compounded 10%. 10% interest per month of the total amount due at the full payment thereof. So the fourth is, that is in the case the court intervention should become necessary and inevitable, you shall liable for the court and litigation expenses and attorney's fees amounted 25% of the total amount due to the demanded law. So, last, that you are hereby committed to fully observe the terms and conditions as involved in this contract and you are fully aware and any violation of the same shall expose, such as erring party to the corresponding criminal, civil, or administrative liabilities. So, you understand all those terms and conditions, right? So I like you to read our terms and conditions.
Okay. Okay, Jen, I understand the terms and conditions.
Here's your copy of the contract. I will give it to you.
After 6 months, Reynaldo Bertos didn't pay and he did not follow the terms and condition of the contract. Christine seeks advice to a lawyer. What should she do regarding the Reynaldo's loan?
Good morning, attorney. I would like to ask an advice from you. My friend recently borrowed money from me and promised to pay before the end of the year, but it's already March, attorney, and yet he's still not paying. What will I do?
What are your proof that you lent your money to him? Do you have any agreement or contract?
Yes, attorney, I have a contract, or we have a contract. Take a look, please. This is our agreement or a contract.
He agreed with your terms and condition. This one. We're going to send him a demand letter, and I will give him 5 days for him to reply our demand letter. After that, you can come back to me. Then you can proceed to barangay. If he cannot reply your demand letter, you can proceed to barangay. So you can file a complaint against him.
Okay, got it, attorney. Thank you so much.
Few moments later, the lawyer sent a demand letter to Mr. Reynaldo.
Joyce, can you send this demand letter to Ms. Reynaldo Bertos? Here's his address. Okay, Mom.
Joyce went to Reynaldo's house. But Mr. Reynaldo is not around. His son received the demand letter.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes.
Good day, sir. May I ask?
Yes.
Is Mr. Leonardo Berdos live here?
Yes, he lives here but he's not around. What do you want from my father?
We have a demand letter for him, but he's not around. Can you receive this for him?
Okay, I'll receive it.
Thank you so much.
6 days later, Christine went to the barangay to file a complaint against Ronaldo.
Good morning, ma'am. Good morning, ma'am. I would like to file a complaint against Ronaldo Berdos.
Okay, I will check first, ma'am, if he is at our yes.
I would like to file a collection of sum of the money.
Oh, he's already here. What kind of complaint are you going to put against him?
Ma'am, I would like to file a collection of sum of money and attorney's fees because he agreed that he will pay the money that he borrowed from me before the end of the year, but it seems that he don't have plan to pay it.
Okay, ma'am, the barangay hearing are going to be like this. First, I will schedule 3 hearings for the four of you before I give you a certificate to file action. He is required to appear for him to perform his obligation. We will be sending a summons for him and schedule 3 hearings that will be on March 8, 15, and 22, 2024. If he failed to appear the said of date by March 29, 2014, I will give you a certificate to file action so you can proceed to the court.
Okay, noted, ma'am. Thank you so much.
After 1 month, Christine went back to the lawyer to file a case.
Good morning, attorney. Oh, Ma'am Jean, what happened to your brother hearing?
Can I still didn't appear, attorney? What are we going to do?
Okay, since he did not perform his obligation, we're going to file a small claims. And since he lives in Davao City, you can file it here in Davao City also.
So what is that small claim, attorney?
Small claims, these are civil claims which are exclusively for the payment of reimbursement of a sum of money not exceeding 1 million. So, he owes you 650,000 only.
Yes.
So, your case can be considered in small claims. As amended by Supreme Court at Administrative Matter number 0887 SC. I don't know what year is this, but I don't know what year small claims implemented.
Attorney, what are the examples of small claims cases?
Small claim cases are in this. You want to file that man collection of sum of money, collection to unpaid rental payments for leasing, case to cover the deposit made for a lease after the expiration of the lease, case collection payment for commission, case to collect payment for services rendered, case to collect payment for goods or property sold by and delivered, and many more.
Wait, attorney, where do I file my small claims cases?
Like what I said, you're in Davao City and he's on Davao City also. You can file it in Metropolitan Trial Court. But here in Davao City, we have municipal trial court in cities. Where the plaintiff lives, or the plaintiff, the one that you're suing, where the defendant, you're the plaintiff and he's the defendant. So you live in Davao City and he lives also in Davao City. Or plaintiff, or like in your situation, you have business here in Davao. Even you're not live in Davao City, but your business are in Davao City, you can also file it here in Davao City.
So in that case, what are the procedures for filing a small claim, attorney?
Small claim commenced by filing with the court an accomplished and verified statement or claim in duplicate, accompanied by the certification of non-forum shopping, your complaint will going to be like this: your complaint and certificate of non-forum shopping. Then the annexes. The annexes means that your evidence. What is your proof that he lends money from you? Jury certified photocopies of actionable documents like your like our demand letter and your certificate from the barangay, as well as affidavit of witness. Do you have any witness? Our witness will be your. The witness will not be your relatives. It shouldn't be the 4-degree relatives. It should be not like that. It may be your friend, but the one who knows the story behind the contract. And also, unless good cause is shown for the admission of the no evidence shall be catered when the hearing will start. Example, you already called for the pre-trial conference, then you are going to submit another evidence or additional evidence. The court will not allow it unless you have a valid reason. The plaintiff shall pay the docket and other legal fees under allowed to legislate as indigent. Then the court examines the claim. The court will examine your complaint. Then it may dismiss if the case outright, if it's find grounds and justify dismissal. If your claims is not supported by the complete documents and your proof, it will be and the judge will gonna be dismissed it. If no grounds for dismissal is found, the court shall issue someone on the day of the receipt of the statement of claim, directing to the defendant to submit a verified response. So the court will send someone, so the defendant will answer and the answer to someone, it will be the counter affidavit, the documents named counter affidavit that the defendant going to respond. If the defendants cannot be served with someone, the court shall order the plaintiff cost of the service of someone within 30 days from notice. Otherwise, the case shall be dismissed. The court shall issue a notice to both parties directing them to appear before in a specific date and time for hearing. This time, the court will issue a notice or order of your date of hearing. If you cannot appear this date, the court might be dismiss your case. If 3 times the court sent you a notice and you did not came this 3 notice, the court will dismiss your case with warning and that no unjustified postponement shall be allowed. If you submit a postponement or you will ask a lawyer about this case, small claims is no lawyer allowed. If you want to postpone your hearing, the court will just read it and analyze it. It's going to postpone the date. The defendant shall file with the court and serve on the plaintiff duly accomplished and verified response. This one is his counter affidavit, same as yours. He needs to put some verification of non-forum shopping. The annexes, that should be the evidences, his sides, his evidences of his sides. The court will give the defendant 10 days from the summon, from the receipt of the summon. Then the response shall be accompanied by the certified true copy of the documents, and what I said. No evidence also shall be allowed during the hearing which was not attached and submitted together with the response, unless good cause is shown for the submission of additional evidence. The party shall appear the designated date of hearing personally or through representative authorized under a special power of attorney. If you cannot appear on the day of the hearing, You can ask a representative, but you should execute a special power of attorney. However, a lawyer cannot appear to represent the party. However, I cannot represent you in court. You can represent anyone, but not me, because I am your lawyer. At the hearing, the judge shall exert efforts to bring parties an amicable settlement. If you and Reynaldo Berdos can think about amicable settlement, the judge will allow it, the both of you. In the case is settled, the settlement shall be reduced in writing, signed by the parties and submitted to the court for approval. If no settlement is reached, the hearing shall so proceed in an informal and expeditious manner and terminate within the same day. After the hearing, the court shall render its decision within 24 hours from the termination of the hearing. The decision shall immediately be entered by the clerk of court in the court docket, and a copy thereof forthwith served on with the parties.
Okay, thank you so much, attorney.
Okay.